Hi, and welcome to another episode of Joe's Not Worried About It, where we turn investment anxiety into long-term opportunity. And today, we're going to be talking about 2025, our predictions. I'm going to have 3 stocks for you that we think are going to do fantastic in 2025. We really think this year is going to be an exciting one for all retail investors, and we're just excited to share it with you. So I'm going to be going over 3 stocks that we're going to excel this year in 2025. First, I want to go over last year. So last year was all about the tech giants. They continued their relentless march upward in 2024. They defied skeptics, and they left bears licking a lot of wounds. The Magnificent Seven, Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla dominated all market headlines and led with impressive sales growth to back it up. All of them had share prices that surged to new highs. I'm happy to report that in 2024, we put our members into all of these stocks. However, as 2025 approaches, we are looking beyond these behemoths for the next big opportunity. And we believe that opportunity is the overlooked powerhouses of the semiconductor world. All right, so first up, ASML Holdings is the unsung hero of the chip industry. The stock tumbled in 2024 on weaker guidance as the U.S. Department of Commerce pushed the company to cut exports to China. The company's extreme ultraviolet lithography machines are essential for producing cutting-edge chips and have seen surging demand as the artificial intelligence boom has, quite frankly, accelerated. These extreme ultraviolet lithography machines are used to print extremely small, precise circuit patterns onto silicone wafers. They do this using light in the 13.5 nanometer range. This is considered the extreme ultraviolet range, hence the name. These machines are very cool because they allow for smaller transistors, which enable more complex chip designs. And it helps us drive towards Moore's law, which just means bigger, faster, smaller, but faster, more powerful computing as time moves on. So, however, since officials inside the Biden administration have been eager to work around Chinese AI ambitions, ASML shares are trading now down to around $711. That's down from nearly $1,100 in late July of last year. So we will be expecting greater clarity on Chinese EUV lithography limits from the incoming Trump administration. In short, Biden allowed the exportation of EUV devices to China, while Trump restricted them. When limits are put back on, ASML shares should counterintuitively surge. Ask me for another video on why later if you're interested. All right, so next up, number 2 is Monolithic Power Systems. They make innovative power management solutions, which are crucial from everything from AI servers to electric vehicles. Shares catapulted to $950 in September as revenue pushed 30% higher as of last year. Unfortunately, the stock has been in a funk since November when executives said the 2025 share sales are expected to grow by only 16% and that margins will shrink from 26% to 23% because of higher expenses. Now, we really think investors here are overreacting. The company is blessed with a terrific management team. They've consistently created value for shareholders, and the compound average for annual growth over the last 15 years is 25%. This weakness is a buying opportunity. And third, but last but not least, is our third semiconductor firm. We believe Intel is going to do great this year. Even though Intel lacks management credibility, the same as Monolithic Power, and its product is no best in class like ASML's is, nonetheless, it's compelling. Intel is undergoing a regressive restructuring within, and it's renewing its focus on AI and edge computing after the last couple of years of very poor performance. And the company is honestly too important to fail. Semiconductors and their production are now an important part of national security. Too much production is concentrated in Asia. The US needs a strong national player, and we think that company will be Intel. At a share price of $21 and at trading at 21 times forward earnings and only 1.6 times sales, we think the stock could easily double in 2025. So the 3 stocks we have today are ASML Holdings, Monolithic Power, and Intel. So we expect the coming year to be about refocus on the ever-important semiconductors. And in this ever-evolving tech landscape, today's laggards can definitely be tomorrow's leaders. And executives at ASML, Monolithic Power, and Intel will adapt and overcome in 2025. Now remember, the future belongs to those who invest in it today, and I want you to join me in investing in that future. If you found this interesting, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. And if you really do like tech investing and want to get behind the scenes at Markham Capital, try out our Digital Creators and Consumers letter. This is where we tell all of our premium subscribers about these stocks first. We've been doing that letter's been going on for about 25 years, and the performance is quite astounding. Anyways, my name is Joe Markman, this is Markman Capital, and this was our 2025 predictions. Hope you have a great day.